You might not believe this, but it only takes 21 days to change your life. Not completely, not magically, but enough to never see yourself the same way again. Because 21 days is all it takes. Prove to yourself that you are not stuck. Most people think life collapses all at once, but it doesn't. It breaks slowly, one small choice at a time. Sleeping in instead of showing up, scrolling instead of building, numbing instead of healing. And one day you wake up lost, unmotivated, disconnected. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You can rebuild your life the exact same way. Slowly. One small choice at a time. 21 days of showing up. 21 days of doing the opposite of what broke you. 21 days of proving to yourself that you still have control. Because the human brain is powerful. It adapts fast. You give it a new pattern, and it starts to believe it's your new identity. So, for the next 21 days, decide who you want to be. Not in theory, in practice. You want discipline? Wake up when you say you will. You want peace? Stop running back to what hurts you. You want progress? Do one uncomfortable thing every single day. It doesn't matter if you feel ready. Change doesn't ask for permission. It asks for repetition. Day 1 feels heavy. Day 5 feels messy. Day 10 feels pointless. But then, something happens. Your brain starts to shift. The resistance fades. The habits start to feel natural. And suddenly, the same things that drained you start to drive you. That's the power of 21 days. It's not about becoming perfect. It's about remembering that you were never broken beyond repair. You just forgot your strength. You forgot your potential. You forgot that your life still belongs to you. And all it takes is 21 days of choosing better. So, here's your challenge. Start today, not Monday, not next month. Today, for the next 21 days, commit to small victories. Drink water instead of doom scrolling. Journal instead of complaining. Move your body. Learn something new. Say no to what drains you. At first, no one will notice. It'll be quiet, private. But one morning you'll wake up and realize something feels different. The fog has lifted. The noise is gone. You feel alive again, and you'll understand. You didn't need a new year, or a miracle, or motivation. You just needed 21 days to remember who you are.